This video will demonstrate how to install and set up ARM Mobile on your device. You will need an internet connection to complete these steps. If using an Android device, open Chrome. For Apple devices, open Safari. On a new tab, enter the web address for ARM Mobile. Please read and agree to the privacy statement. Click Confirm. You are now at the ARM Mobile welcome screen. First, choose your sync method, which is the cloud storage service that ARM connected to. We will be using Dropbox for this demonstration. If recording subsample data, set the sequencing option now. Choose between metric and imperial for distance units before clicking Next. The next step is to connect to the ARM Mobile folder in the cloud. Clicking the Import button will prompt you to log in to the cloud account you selected for the sync method. After signing in, click Import again. Then navigate to the ARM Mobile folder created by ARM. Check the box next to the Base Info folder and tap the Select button. ARM Mobile imports the ARM Favorites lists from the Base Info folder. This includes Standard Evaluations, or SEs, Assessed by List of ARM Mobile Users, Crops and Pests Commonly Used, and assessment-related lists, such as part-rated or measurement units. Tap Select Folder next to Export Location. Check the box next to the Trial Assessment folder. ARM will send exported assessments to this folder. Tap Next. Select who will be completing the assessments. Tap Done to finish the setup process and advance to the next screen, where you will find the main menu. Tap Import Trials and open the Trial Def folder. Check the desired trial files. ARM Mobile then downloads the trial definition, not the entire ARM trial file. This consists of SE definitions list, assessment columns without data, attachments, and site details. You are now ready to take assessments with ARM Mobile.